Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning on precise location, and if needed, background location so sharing stays live. Open the app you'll use, Google Maps or a messaging app with live location features, and select Share Live Location. Choose a duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or custom. This matters because the QR will reflect that expiry. Once done, make sure you have stable mobile data or Wi-Fi because the QR encodes a live link that needs continuous updates. Now, create the live location link inside the app. Tap Share Live Location, then create link or copy link to the clipboard. Verify the link opens a map with your real-time position and the selected expiry time. This is why testing briefly is important. Next, paste that URL into a QR code generator that accepts URLs. Choose a generator that supports dynamic links or short URLs so you can revoke the link later if needed. Once pasted, generate a high-resolution QR. Finish by exporting the QR as PNG or SVG for printing or sharing, and save a backup copy and the short link separately. Test the QR on a different phone to confirm the map shows live updates and respects the expiry. If anything goes wrong, no updates or wrong position, revoke the original share link in the app settings, create a new live link, and regenerate the QR. Also, make sure location permissions and mobile data are active. That will solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.